Today, we're talking about Eclipse Turmeric by Adoptium. So, if you're a developer, you may have heard of Adopt OpenJDK, which was a popular distribution of OpenJDK that was free and easy to use. However, Adopt OpenJDK has been succeeded by Adoptium, which is a new organization that focuses on providing enterprise-grade support for OpenJDK. Eclipse Turmeric is the flagship offering from Adoptium. So let's dive in and find out what it's all about. Now, guys, please share this piece of content on all your social media platforms. Eclipse Turmeric is a free and open source distribution of OpenJDK that is built and tested to the highest quality standards. It is designed to be a reliable and secure implementation of the Java Development Kit, which is a popular tool used by developers to build applications. Eclipse Turmeric is fully compatible with the Java SE standard and is available for use on a wide range of platforms, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Now, guys, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, share the video, and leave a comment below telling us what you would like to see next in this series.